Discover French culture through a simple reading passage. Updated, November 27, 2025 by Dr. Mohammed Hossein Hariri ASL. Time to read, 10 minutes 43 views no comments. Table of contents. Video of French culture.
La vie dans un café français.
Life in a French cafe.
Vocabulaire, français-anglais.
Grammar focus, the structure que vous soyez. In French. This reading passage is designed for beginner to intermediate learners of French who want to improve their vocabulary through meaningful context. The text introduces an interesting topic from everyday French culture, using simple structures and common words to help learners read with confidence. After the passage, you will find a helpful vocabulary list to support your understanding and expand your knowledge of useful expressions. This approach will help you learn French naturally and effectively. Video of French culture.
La vie dans un café français. En France, le café occupe une place très spéciale dans la vie quotidienne. Il ne s'agit pas seulement d'un endroit pour boire une boisson chaude, mais d'un véritable espace social où les gens se retrouvent pour discuter, lire, travailler ou simplement observer la vie qui passe. Dans presque toutes les villes françaises, même les plus petites, on trouve un café au coin d'une rue, souvent avec une terrasse qui attire les passants.
Life in a French cafe. In France, the cafe holds a very special place in everyday life. It is not just a place to drink a hot beverage, but a true social space where people meet to talk, read, work, or simply observe life as it goes by. In almost every French town, even the smallest ones, you can find a café on a street corner, often with a terrace that attracts passers-by.
Le matin, beaucoup de Français commencent leur journée au café. Ils commandent un café serré ou un café au lait, accompagné parfois d'un croissant tout chaud. Le serveur connaît souvent les clients réguliers et engage une petite conversation avec eux. Cette relation simple mais chaleureuse crée une ambiance conviviale. Le café devient un lieu où l'on se sent chez soi, même si l'on n'y reste que quelques minutes.
English translation. In the morning, many French people start their day at the café. They order a strong espresso or a coffee with milk, sometimes accompanied by a warm croissant. The waiter often knows the regular customers and starts a short conversation with them. This simple but warm relationship creates a friendly atmosphere. The café becomes a place where one feels at home, even if staying only for a few minutes.
À midi ou dans l'après-midi, les cafés se remplissent de travailleurs, d'étudiants et de touristes. Certains viennent pour profiter du Wi-Fi et avancer dans leur travail, tandis que d'autres préfèrent lire un livre ou un journal. En France, il est tout à fait normal de rester longtemps assis à une table sans être dérangé. Les serveurs ne vous pressent pas de consommer davantage. On vous laisse profiter du moment à votre rythme.
English translation. At noon or in the afternoon, cafes fill up with workers, students, and tourists. Some come to use the Wi-Fi and make progress on their work, while others prefer to read a book or a newspaper. In France, it is completely normal to sit at a table for a long time without being disturbed. The waiters do not pressure you to order more. You are allowed to enjoy the moment at your own pace.
Le soir, l'ambiance change encore. Les cafés proposent souvent des boissons fraîches, des jus de fruits ou même de petites assiettes à partager. Les lumières deviennent plus douces et la terrasse se remplit d'amis qui se retrouvent après une longue journée. On rit, on parle de tout et de rien, et on observe les rues animées. Pour beaucoup de Français, le café n'est pas seulement un lieu physique, mais un symbole de la vie sociale et culturelle du pays.
English translation. In the evening, the atmosphere changes again. Cafes often offer cold drinks, fruit juices, or even small plates to share. The lights become softer, and the terrace fills with friends meeting after a long day. People laugh, talk about everything and nothing, and watch the lively streets. For many French people, the café is not just a physical place, but a symbol of the country's social and cultural life.
Visiter un café français, c'est découvrir une partie essentielle de la culture française. La lenteur agréable, le plaisir de prendre un moment pour soi, et l'importance des relations humaines. Que vous soyez touriste ou étudiant de français, passer du temps dans un café vous aidera à comprendre la façon de vivre à la française.
English translation. Visiting a French cafe means discovering an essential part of French culture, the pleasant slowness, the joy of taking a moment for yourself, and the importance of human relationships. Whether you are a tourist or a student of French, spending time in a café will help you understand the French way of life.
Vocabulaire, français-anglais. Un café, coffee shop. Une terrasse, outdoor sitting. Un croissant au croissant. Le serveur, la serveuse, waiter, waitress.
Convivial et friendly, welcoming. Profiter de, to enjoy, take advantage of.
Sans être dérangé, without being disturbed.
Un assiette, a plate or small dish. S'animer, to become lively. La façon de vivre, way of living. Un client régulier, a regular.
Un café. Un café. Un passant.
Se retrouvent. Observer.
Un journal. Une ambiance.
Un boisson fraîche.
Une longue journée.
Grammar focus, the structure que vous soyez. In French.
The expression, que vous soyez.
Is an example of a French concessive structure that uses the subjunctive mood. It is typically used to present two possible conditions, both of which lead to the same conclusion. In English, this structure is usually translated as whether you are. The verb être is in the subjunctive form soyez, because the phrase introduces a situation that is hypothetical, general, or not tied to a specific, factual event. This structure appears frequently in formal or written French. It is used to express inclusiveness or to show that something applies in different circumstances. For example, in the sentence, que vous soyez touriste ou étudiant de français, both categories, tourist or French learner, lead to the same idea. Spending time in a café will help you understand French culture. The structure emphasizes that the conclusion is valid no matter which situation applies. You can build similar sentences in French using this pattern, que plus subject plus subjunctive verb, often paired with ou to show alternatives.
Some common exemples incluent que tu viennes ou que tu restes. Whether you come or stay, or qu'il pleuve ou qu'il fasse beau.
Whether it rains or the weather is nice. This is a powerful way to express two different possibilities while keeping the meaning unified and elegant. Share this post. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Telegram, print, email. About the author. Dr. Mohammed Hossein Hariri, ASL. Dr. Mohammed Hossein Hariri, ASL is an English and Persian instructor, educator, researcher, inventor, published author, blogger, SEO expert, website developer, entrepreneur, and the creator of LELB Society. He's got a PhD in TFL, teaching English as a foreign language. Number of posts, 4220. Related posts. English presentation on living in big cities. English presentations to practice speaking. Souvenir definition and meaning in context with images. English vocabulary in context. Persian lessons for kids, a fun and easy approach. Learn Persian online with 500 Persian lessons plus videos. Related keywords. Coffee culture socialization.